Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the 2026 GMC Savana van, a reimagined masterpiece that blends power, technology, and luxury like never before. GMC has taken the iconic Savana and pushed it into the future, transforming it from a dependable workhorse into a next-generation van built for business, family, and adventure. From the first glance, the 2026 Savana stands out with its bold, modern design. The massive front grille and sleek LED headlights give it a commanding look on the road. The sculpted body lines, wider stance, and premium chrome touches make it feel more like a luxury SUV than a traditional van. GMC has even improved aerodynamics for better efficiency and a smoother ride, making this van a true combination of power and style. Under the hood, GMC offers three incredible engine options. The first is a proven 6.6-liter V8 engine for those who need raw power and towing strength. The second is a 3.0-liter turbo diesel that delivers exceptional torque and fuel economy. But the biggest innovation is the all-new electric version, capable of delivering up to 300 miles on a single charge with instant torque and near-silent performance. Whether you're running a business fleet or exploring the open road, the Savana's lineup gives you flexibility and confidence for any job. Step inside, and you'll be amazed by how far the Savana has evolved. The interior has been redesigned from top to bottom with modern luxury and convenience in mind. A massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering GMC's latest IntelliLink system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and 5G connectivity. The digital instrument cluster keeps you fully informed with real-time performance data, while the premium Bose sound system fills the cabin with crisp audio. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, designed for both comfort and durability. With available heating, ventilation, and multi-position adjustment, long drives feel effortless. GMC has also added more cabin insulation, making the interior whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Multiple seating configurations let you choose between cargo, passenger, or adventure layouts, giving the Savana incredible versatility for any lifestyle. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 GMC Savana van. It comes equipped with the latest driver assistance technology, including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system. These features work together to provide a secure and confident driving experience, whether you're on city streets or mountain roads. For business owners, the Savana remains an unbeatable tool, strong, spacious, and smart. For families and travelers, it's a comfortable, reliable ride built for every adventure. The 2026 model proves that practicality and luxury can go hand in hand, redefining what a van can truly be. The 2026 GMC Savana van represents progress, a perfect fusion of power, innovation, and design. It's built for those who want more than just transportation. It's built for those who demand excellence. So what do you think about the all-new GMC Savana? Is this the van that finally changes everything? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the most exciting vehicles of 2026.